Flow into gratitude as you watch and recognize something extraordinary hidden beneath the movement of this moment. That the universal nature has never promised the rational mind a life free from resistance but instead has gifted it something infinitely more powerful. The ability to transform resistance itself into material. The ability to convert friction into direction, limitation into leverage, confusion into design. Because just as nature absorbs every obstacle into its larger order and fixes it into usefulness, so too does the disciplined mind possess the terrifyingly beautiful capacity to turn every hindrance into fuel for creation. And suddenly the entire world begins looking different because problems stop appearing as walls and start appearing as raw ingredients waiting for intelligent arrangement. And this realization alone contains more business potential than most people will discover in a lifetime. Because every inconvenience hiding inside ordinary life is secretly an unanswered demand. Every inefficiency is a market. Every emotional struggle is a blueprint. Every recurring frustration is an undeveloped industry disguised as annoyance. And the rational animal capable of perceiving this gains the power to build value almost endlessly from what others reject. Because where others see exhaustion, you can create systems for recovery. Where others see clutter, you can create digital organization services. Where others see loneliness, you can create communities around shared reflection. Where others see overstimulation, you can build environments designed for mental calmness. Where others see distraction, you can create minimalist productivity rituals. Where others see uncertainty, you can create clarity through curation, guidance, atmosphere, design, interpretation. Because perception reorganized through gratitude becomes strategic intelligence, and strategic intelligence recognizes that the modern economy increasingly rewards those who can transform emotional chaos into emotional order. And emotional order itself has become one of the most valuable luxuries on earth, because people are drowning in noise while craving coherence, drowning in information while craving meaning, drowning in speed while craving stillness. And whoever learns to shape those experiences with precision begins quietly constructing influence, because influence today is often nothing more than refined emotional engineering delivered consistently enough to become trusted, and trust built slowly compounds faster than force ever can. And now as this rhythm carries you deeper into awareness, you begin realizing that obstacles themselves are strangely generous because they reveal unmet needs invisible during comfort, revealing what people truly struggle with, what they secretly desire, what they wish felt simpler, calmer, more beautiful, more human. And the rational being who studies these patterns with patience gains access to opportunities hidden beyond surface appearances, opportunities requiring more insight than capital, more observation than permission, more psychological clarity than resources, because a sharp mind can repurpose almost anything into value, can transform a small room into a premium creative studio, can transform daily reflections into monetized content, can transform aesthetic consistency into branding consultation, can transform personal discipline into educational systems, can transform quiet understanding into communities that gather around emotional resonance, because every hindrance contains compressed usefulness waiting for interpretation. And perhaps this is why gratitude feels so stabilizing in the midst of uncertainty, because gratitude allows the mind to remain open long enough to discover utility inside adversity rather than collapsing beneath it. And once the mind learns this art, every setback becomes material, every delay becomes observation time, every rejection becomes refinement, every limitation